An easy and quick process, simple and straightforward, where we will explain step by step how you can fix and recover your device in the easiest and fastest way, without needing a PC. We will remove both the screen lock and the Google account. We will use these steps to fix it. All of this. We're going to be able to solve all of this in one of the easiest ways, by watching the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery. Having said all that, what we first need to do to bypass the screen lock and remove the Google account is to turn off our phone. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Once we're at this point, we're going to count to 10 seconds until it's completely off. Now that it's completely off, we're going to enter this secret menu by pressing the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We'll be entering this secret menu. Once in this menu, we're going to press the volume down button and look for recovery mode. With the power button, we'll select it. After we've selected those two options, here we'll see this option that says Wipe Data, Factory Reset. We're going to click on it. Select it, and then click on Factory Data Reset. Here you'll see these errors. Don't worry, now you're going to click here, where it says you're going to say yes to Wipe Cache. Then go back to where it says Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and do it again. Then scroll down and click where it says Wipe Cache. Turn it on, and do it again. Now, for the third time, you'll reset the cache again by clicking Wipe Data, Factory Reset. We've tried it for the third time. Now we'll select the first option. This will restart our phone. When the Motorola logo appears, we press the power button and the volume down button to enable the last function we need. Enabling this last function allows us to bypass that Google account in one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing a PC. It's a completely PC-free method. For those who want to see other video tutorials, we also have PC-free methods. The device has restarted successfully. What we're going to do, as we can see here, is have safe mode and airplane mode enabled. Now we're going to click here where it says Continue Offline. Make sure there's no SIM card entered on the phone to avoid errors. Now we're going to click Accept, then Skip, then Skip. This will take us to this section. We'll say Not now, not now, not now, and Not now. We'll click Next, then Finish, and that completes this process. Recovery.